People, today is a very hot sunny afternoon and we have decided to go bowling. Wifey, what do you have to say about your first bowling experience?
I got nothing to say about it.
She has never gone bowling before. So, have you gone bowling before? You see, she's still confused. Alright, people, let us go and check out the place. The place makes sense. We have been passing there regularly and we have been seeing the bowling place, but we have never tried it out. So today is the day we are going to go and experience it. Wifey, shall we?
Dance Marquito, give me that vibe, we go sweet like Tito. Body they bounce like it's torpedo. Tonight we they run, I'm no mosquito.
I've never actually gone bowling before. This was going to be my first experience, and my knowledge of bowling was seriously limited. But of course, I couldn't tell wifey that initially.
Step in the scene, everybody they look. Fine girl, they read me like book. She they wine slow, they catch like hook. Afrobeat steady cook, make you know they shook. Lights they blink, but now we they shine. She say my love sweet like palm wine. No long talk, baby, no deep.
We took a short drive to the city center to a place called Tenpin. Well, if you know the city very well, you know where Tenpin is. People, we have reached the place. Wifey wants to do small paintology, so because you're the eye of my apple, that is why I need to call your name.
Can you just talk normal?
I'm talking normal. Am I not talking normal? People, we have checked the place, and the place, like I say, the place makes sense. So we want to go inside and now go and explore the place more. Oh, I don't know what she's saying. If you guys heard, that's your business. You guys should write it in the comment section. Maybe they go.
No salt. Ebelebe move, she they drop like pro. 1-2 step, then she go low. DJ run and back, make it no slow. Tonight we they fly, no need for.
So we had to just figure out this entire bowling stuff because me, I was totally confused and I had no idea what was going on here. Look at me practicing. All I know is that you just roll one heavy ball across something that looks like a runway and it should hit some pins. So luckily there was like the system to the computer to be guiding us on how the matter will look. So
You play first. You have to play first.
I will play first. Oh yeah. So as a fine boy, no pimples, I was leading very early in the game. You see my game, very fantabulous, and I hit all the pins and I was like, yes, correct. Knocked out everything except one. Wifey was still struggling, trying to even figure out how to handle the matter. Over time, I've just learned to just leave wifey alone, let her just do her thing, and anyhow it is, while I no good day, sorry. By the time wifey flunked the second ball, I knew for a fact that it was going to be a great day. And in fact, I'm going to win.
It's a small ball. Small ball is lighter. This one is extra large ball. Let me use this. Set. Ready?
And after a few more stylish throws, unfortunately I missed all the balls. Everything began to dawn on me that it looks as if there is a big problem. I needed special luck for me to catch up, because at this point the table was beginning to turn seriously. In the meantime, wifey was in one corner laughing at me like witchcraft, and that was when she began to shine.
It's too left.
Just imagine, I need a special miracle in order to meet up. Wifey was already half celebrating.
See your two left. I don't know how you're going to plan to get it. How do you plan to get the two down? Chi? Come.
guys
body
watch.
no be fire.
Destroy that funny record.
Show you the feel and vibe, the sweet. DJ the spin and beat the hit. From Lagos down to Accra Street, we go dance till we no fit speak. Enter the place, light don't set. My guys they ball, girls they flex. Baseline heavy, neck go bend. This kind groove, no they pretend. Shy up for hand, smile for face. Now good vibes,
Next one.
the place. If you want dog, carry your wahala. Tonight now vibes, no drama. See that girl with the yellow dress. Body soft, she know the stress. Wine her waist like she know the tire. It be like saying that she set the fire. We dey vibe, we dey loud. Party day, make we proud. No dull moment, now back to back. Afrobeat day, we no go lack. Sunrise feed meet us, yeah. We dey move like we no get fear. Every step we dey enter soul. Now the reading where they make us soul. All your people no go stop.
I don't like bowling before.
People,
Just want to try today.
she is here busy laughing at me
Surprise.
because she's leading. She's here busy laughing at me. This
Oh,
is
you
not
said
funny.
I've not played bowling before, right?
Have I played bowling before?
But you have.
Yes, I
have
have.
an idea of
In my
what-
sleep, in my dream. People, this is not funny. Oh. How can I be losing like this?
I'm glad
Eh?
I'm winning, you know.
Look at the scores.
Just my first experience.
Megodi, look at scores.
Let me go play my last
Can you
one,
imagine?
man.
To win this game, oh, eh? As a man of the house, I should win this game now. Which kind of thing be this? She knocked everything except one. Jesus Christ. Hey. Heavy mess up. Wonderful. I need a miracle to catch up. Oh. Can he go? It did not work. This has to be the good luck ball, oh. Otherwise, voila day. How can I be losing like this? This is a national embarrassment. What do you mean? Let us
Man can do
go and try
better.
We no fit speak.
Winning shot. Imagine.
After Wifey took these winning shots, it was clear that I had been beaten, vanquished, overcome, overpowered, and a few other words that ChatGPT used to describe this situation. Just take a bloody look at the results. Chai, not good at all. My wifey was in one corner celebrating that she had beaten the boy for the first time that we went to play bowling. Alayo, we must play return match.
Oh yeah, dance, make we scatter the floor. Tonight na groove, nobody they go. Raise your glass, make we toast to the moon. Life too short, body no be firewood. Show you the feel and vibe the sweet. DJ the spin and beat the hit. From Lagos down to Accra Street, we go dance till we no fit speak.
Despite trying my best to try to catch up, as this was my very last shots, it was already clear that there was no hope, there was no way in hell that I was going to catch up with that scores. It's just not possible. Next one.
If you want dog, carry your wahala. Tonight now vibes, no drama. See that girl with the yellow dress. Body soft, she know the stress.
So on behalf of the National Association of Boys, I wish to tender my apology for losing this match so drastically and publicly. As we had to head out, Wifey was in one corner trying to dance and celebrating her victory. Wow, this is not good at all.
Fear. Every step it dey enter soul. Now the reading where they make us soul. Call your people, no go slack. Tonight is shorty, no they pack. From east to west, now same story. Afrobeat day, we dey glory.
Anyway, it was a good day. We had so much fun. Until next time when we will come back for the return match, ladies and gentlemen, we shall see you guys another time. People, this is a major embarrassment. They say what a man can do, a woman can do better. I do not even think it was practical before.
sure?
First time we play bowling, auntie disgraced me.
You sure?
Oh, yeah, dance. Make we scatter the floor. Tonight, na groove. Nobody they go. Raise your glass. Make we toast to the moon. Life too short. Body no be firewood. Share you the feel and vibe the sweet. DJ the spin and beat the